Welcome to the Screencam for the experiment configurator of our interactive explainable AI program. So after having gained an initial overview of the dataset and the explanations for it, we can now go on to the admin panel, and there we can enter the password and log in. And now we have this list of experiments, which is the experiments that we have already created. And we can also add a new experiment here, where we can choose a name for our experiment and then add some sort of description to later remember why we created that experiment or what we used it for. And in the next step, we can choose the IDs from this German credit dataset, which applications should be shown to the user. So we can just select some applications. And in the next step, we can decide whether it should be possible to modify the instance and then have some live AI recommendations shown for this new created instance, and also even what if analysis is possible. So if we modify the instance, it should then be possible to create or to show the visualization also for this changed instance. And for example, if we choose dice as an explanation type down here, we can see that it's not possible because for dice we don't have this what if analysis, but we can just choose lime, for example, and then it is possible to choose modification and what if analysis. So now this experiment has been created, and here we have the experiment link, and this is the link that we could give to the participants of the experiment, and the participant could now see this view with the link up here, and then press start experiment, and then the participant can see the loan application that we have selected. So we have selected the IDs 1, 3, 7, so now 3 loan applications with explanation are shown to the participant together with the lime explanation that is shown down here, where we also have this detailed view, and which gives us an overview over which attributes are important and which attributes are less important for this reject decision that we can see up here. And because we have chosen that modification should be possible, we can now press modify, and we can change the values in this application and instantly see how this would change the AI recommendation. And we can just change some values, and now we can also press generate new explanation because this what if analysis was also enabled in this experiment configuration. And now we can just compare these two lime graphs and visualizations of the two instances. We can now also reset this and decide that we agree with this decision and that we would also reject the loan application. And then we are moving on to the next chosen loan application, and here again we are shown the lime visualization, and we can think about it again and then decide, okay, we approve it. Then take a look at the next one. We could also again modify or do what if analysis and then make decision, and now we've completed the experiment. And after having done this, the admin could go back to the admin panel and log into the admin panel and go to this experiment, and we can now see that the number of participants is 1 because there has been 1 participation, and for 1 participant results have been stored, and these results could now also be downloaded.